Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how I personally open a joint investment account using the RBC mobile application. So once I open up RBC, I head to the bottom right and tap on More. From there, I scroll down to Products and press on Open an Account. Once I'm on that page, I select Investments. At this point, I can choose the type of investing platform I want, and for this example, I go with RBC Direct Investing. After that, I scroll down to where it says Choose Your Account and expand the available options. Here's where I can see different types of joint accounts. For example, I can choose a joint cash investment account, a joint margin account, or even a joint group account, depending on what I'm trying to set up. If I'm opening an account with a partner, sibling, or friend, I just select the joint option that fits best and continue through the application process. Overall, it's a very simple and flexible way to set up shared investing access with someone else. So yeah, that's exactly how I open a joint investment account using the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.